Sammy, was geht denn heute?
Jo, wir haben heute Rock the Fridge, wir haben gerade alles eingeteilt in Gruppen und in 10 Minuten starten wir.
Black and white, I'm fitting no stereotype. 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 Black and white, I'm fitting no stereotype.
Blacklisted and black flag for black veils. I've been blackballed, I've been the victim of blackmail. Blackouts causing chaos on black tops. You know it's real ironic, the existence of black cops. Move like a black widow, smooth like a blackbird. Sick of the black ink you used to write your whack words. Now move backwards and make room for black belts before you catch black welts. The flat black helps when you're painting pieces. I'm bored with blackboards, cause my roots are running deeper than that rapper Black Thoughts. When I come to steal your crops, I rock black cloths. The color of the Magnum 44, black of course. Jesus was a black man, the Romans couldn't have it. I'm considered a black sheep cause I deal with black magic. Blackberries, black eyes, black heads, black lights. My style goes with everything just like a pair of black Nikes. Last night, your girl was rocking black tights in the backseat of your black Jeep, screaming like Blackstreet. If you got the black and milds, bitch, you better spark it. I wouldn't even cop your whack shit off the black market. I rock over beats with steel, call me a blacksmith. People probably saying, what's he mean with all this black shit? It's white versus black, kid. Fuck all the whackness. Now look at all the people running scared of the blackness.
Black and white, I'm fitting no stereotype. Black and white, I'm fitting no stereotype. Black and white, I'm fitting no stereotype. Black and white, I'm fitting no stereotype.
Rich fascist white guys telling more than white lies. I run up in the White House and bitch slap all their white wives. Me, I'm quite wise, never sipped on white wines. Love to grab a pen and spill my soul over white lines. Burn white owls, never snorted white powder. Represent New England, my skin's like white chowder. White collar work is turning white, balls in the vice. Better listen when your people say this white kid is nice. Got white out to wipe out mistakes that I write out. Ignite the white widow just to knock my white lights out. Admit it, you're a slight fag, sipping white Russians. Please raise the white flag to prevent concussions.
Black and white, I'm fitting no stereotype.